The big part of Serene is to understand where you are as a tangler at this point of time, and then to know how to get to the next stage. At Serene, I will be guiding you at each step with classes, workshops, tips and tricks, to-dos, must-dos, must-not-dos that will help you get to the next stage faster and stronger. The lessons are designed in a way that you can take what you want at this point of time and come back to it for more when you're ready. Every month there will be 4 modules dropped, one per week. Module 1 would be building your basics, and no matter what part of your journey you are in, we always need to build our basics. The next would be discovering techniques, and then exploring new multiple mediums. We have monthly live Q&A sessions for you to ask questions and to get insights from me directly. All are being designed carefully, so we cut out all the overwhelm and focus on our next step in the journey.